Alright guys, I got another video for you guys showing you guys how to program in a remote start key so it'll work. Now say if you're Acura or your TLX, because we also have a TLX now, and you want to program in the remote start so you have remote start for your vehicle. This is the install video, the programming in, after you install the factory remote start. There's plenty of threads online showing how to install the factory remote start. I'm going to make a step-by-step video on the TLX, but this video I'm going to show you what I'm going to be doing is this car already has remote start, the MDX that we have. It already has remote start, it's already programmed in and stuff like that. So what I'm going to do is delete it, and I'm going to add in this original MDX remote without the remote start. And basically I'm going to go through the process of showing you guys how to install this. So I'm going to delete this key and delete the remote start feature and show you guys that it doesn't work anymore, and just leave this key in and then program this one in and show you guys the step-by-step process so you guys can do it at home. I'm going to be using the launch. It's going to be a launch tool. This is the CR. I'll put a link down in the video description for this tool, and I'm going to be doing it on an Autel. I'm going to show the process on the Autel because I know a lot of people have the Autel. Okay, so I'm going to be showing how to do it on both. Well, yeah, on both. I'm going to show how to install with this one, with the Autel, because I want to have that. If you guys want a video with the launch, I also have an X tool also. If you guys want a video of doing it with the X tool, also let me know down in the video description. The main one that I'll be focusing on is the Autel for this one, because everybody has an Autel. And if you guys want, I'll make the other videos for the other ones. Okay, so right now I'm going to erase all the keys and stuff like that, and then I'm going to catch back the video for you guys using Autel, showing you guys the programming process. Alright, so what I did was I deleted this key from the car itself, so it doesn't lock and unlock the doors. As you can see, it doesn't work anymore. The engine remote start doesn't work anymore either. So it's going to light up red, showing that it's not connected. I'm going to show you the original, the other one that I have without. It locks the doors and unlocks it. This is the new working key now. This key no longer works. So now I'm going to be showing you guys the setup process to install this one on the Autel. Okay. From this menu, you go to Diagnostics. You go to Acura. This is how you put this remote start key in. You go to automatic selection. It's going to automatically pull the VIN. It's reading the VIN. Pull the VIN up. So now you just hit OK. You go to USA, because we're in the USA. Okay. It's MDX. Acura MDX. 2017 and up. Okay. No, it's not that. It's diagnosis. Control unit. Okay, this is it. We're gonna go to push start. One push start. So it's in diagnosis, diagnostics, and then that other menu. Okay, so now we're going to keyless access unit, control unit. Special functions. I'll put a link down to this video, this tool in the video, just showing how to do it on Autel, because I know Autel, this is the tool that everybody has. Like I said, then we're going to do registration here. Keyless access remote. Two-way keyless access setup. So after we finish the two-way keyless access setup, so this will turn this from a one-way to a two-way, so the remote start will work. Okay, so basically we're going to go to two-way keyless access setup. Okay, it says the current is a one-way keyless. Do you want to change it to a two-way keyless remote mode? So this will work for the remote start. So it'll work for just the locking and unlocking the doors, and then the remote start is the second way. So yes, I want to change it. And if you do change it and you use this remote, an error will pop up on the dashboard showing that this key is not a two-way key. So I'm just letting you guys know ahead of time. So when you use this key, you'll be fine. But when you do use the original, it might pop up on the dashboard saying key error. But the keys will still work. So it says please wait. I hit OK. So now it's changing over the system. Setting is complete. Current setting to two-way keyless. Now press OK to finish this function. So I'm pressing OK. It says turn the ignition off. So I'm turning the ignition off. Do not press it, please. And so we're adding a keyless access remote. Ignition's on. It says turn off the ignition. Please waiting for ECU to stabilize. Take one original keyless access remote to switch the ignition on. Okay, so then I gotta take this one out. Press OK. Now take the new one in. This is the new one right here. Press OK. Keyless access remote is registered correctly. Press OK. Turn off the ignition. Turn on the ignition. No keys working. Mobilizer light turned off. Yes, the green key light is out. And keyless registration of the keyless access remote has been completed. Turn the ignition on. Turn the ignition on. That's it. Now it should work. Alright, I was recording a video for you guys. I guess it got cut out. Gonna show you guys the remote start now. It's locked. So just hit the lock one more time. And then I'm just gonna hold this down to do the remote start. Car remote starts. Green light means it's working. It's good to go. You hear the car running. Good to go. Turn it off, hold it down. Car turns off. It's good to go. Alright, showing you guys that everything functions. Well, I decided to make this video. As you can see, the car is running, the remote start. I had to get out of the car and lock it and then hit the remote start button, and it did start. As I showed you guys, I'm gonna show you, well, I showed you guys already. And the car's running, it's good to go. This is the process. This is how you do it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Peace. And the same process will work for the TLX and all other models also. All right.